BCCI has for now scuttled the Central Information Commission's efforts to hear a case on whether the BCCI can be made accountable under the Right to Information Act. The CIC has issued a notice to the BCCI regarding the two-day hearing to be held in Delhi from today. But the BCCI got a stay order yesterday on the hearing by the CIC. Remember, the BCCI has been fighting this move tooth and nail. Many have said, why this fear of transparency? Why doesn't the BCCI, considering the number of grants, amount of aid that it gets from the government, want to make its accounts transparent? Why don't they want to be made accountable under the Right to Information Act? The CIC was supposed to hear one such plea today. The hearing was supposed to begin today, but the BCCI has managed to get a stay on that hearing yesterday itself. A two-day hearing on that case was supposed to be held in Delhi from today. For now, effectively, that means the BCCI has scuttled the Central Information Commission's efforts to hear a case on whether the BCCI can be made accountable under the Right to Information Act. So first, it is our netas who don't want to come under the purview of the RTI, and predictably now the BCCI as well. And why shouldn't it? If our politicians are setting the example, the BCCI is just following suit when it comes to complete lack of transparency, almost being scared of having their accounts scrutinized, of being forced to give out information under the RTI. Headlines today. Shumon Ray now joins us for more on that story. Shumon, again the debate is going to be reignited about the BCCI almost seeming scared of making its accounts transparent.
In fact, Headlines Today is the first channel which is breaking the story and saying the first point over here is that BCCI has been trying this for the last 1 or 2 weeks to get a stay order. Finally, it got a stay order yesterday, but it kept secret. Only when we asked them whether they got the stay order and what is their position, they simply said the BCCI administrative officer Ratnakar Shetty, in fact, goes on to say that their stand remains the same and they do not come under RTI because that's a private body. So their stand remains the same. They will contest it. First, they have got what they wanted, is to get a stay order. If on that the petitioner, I talked to Madhu Agarwal and her husband Subhash Agarwal, and they are saying that they will definitely try to make every effort, including getting the best lawyers because Mukul Mudgal, the justice, had already recommended that BCCI should be under the RTI of and is a public. It has also said that to some extent it's because it's using the word India, and that's why it does come under the public, the quote-unquote public. So clearly this debate is continuing at this stage, whether this is private or public, but as of now, BCCI, it's a relief that has come for BCCI. The stay order they have got, but the petitioner will definitely challenge the same.
All right, Shumon Ray, thanks very much for joining us on that story.